Hey guys, so as you can see, I've successfully removed the chip, and the key wasn't the wireless soldering iron, it was my hot air gun, okay, with a concentrator. And be sure and wear gloves, but you heat it up to a certain point on the back. And because I'm, throwing away this card, once it gets to a certain temperature, the components actually start falling off there. So the moment of truth, let's see if it works. Ah, so far so good. Let's see if we get a system test passed. Hey, okay, that's good. Now it's going to go load our partitions, and then we should see something that'll say something about sound here coming up. Sound. So it's working. And so with this particular card, we've got a little stereo sound plug-in. And these Dell speakers actually have powered speakers. So, another successful adventure, and I'm pretty happy with that. So, I've got one more of these cards, I think, somewhere where it needs a chip, but this makes it saleable for my customer on eBay. I'm going to print up a nice 3D case, and we'll go from there. Stay tuned. More cool stuff to come from the black hole. Let's log in, make sure there's no errors. We may get some something about initialized discs. That has nothing to do with the sound. I've got to get the matching footprint again. No, they're all mounted there. Oh, that's good. Okay, so I'm going to call this good. I'm going to go to bed. I got a meeting with the eye doctor today, see if we can figure out what's going on with my eyes at night. Awesome. So we're going to log out, make sure that all works. I'm pretty stoked. Now I know how to remove chips from boards pretty easily, too. I was sitting there trying, with this solder gun and trying to do each individual one, and there's a way you can add solder to it, and then it'll just kind of flow and drop off, but the heat gun's much easier. And I just did it on the stovetop so that it wouldn't catch anything on fire. And then when you set the gun down, you just make sure the tip's up. And it took maybe 5-10 minutes. I didn't actually show it because that was the first time doing it, and I didn't want to look like a complete fool, which I was kind of looking like a fool there for a bit. But once I figured out that you get to a certain temperature and the components start falling off, that was the key. I'm going to power off and call it an evening. How is it always like 2 in the morning? No, it's only 1:20. But I got a long drive ahead of me tomorrow morning, so I need to get some shut-eye. Awesome. And that's Brian Archer's sound card. I sold all the ones that he have with the later model ASICs, but I had a couple of these where you added the chip. So, have a good evening. It's like I'm MacGyvering stuff, man. Anything to get these NeXT computers to work, right?